Hey everyone, check out this Keychron M3 mini wireless mouse I just got my hands on. First impressions? Seriously lightweight. We're talking 55 grams, which is crazy light. If you're into long gaming sessions or just hate that feeling of a heavy mouse dragging you down, this is definitely something to consider. It's got triple connectivity, Bluetooth 5.1, 2.4 GHz wireless, and even wired Type-C. So, tons of flexibility there. I've been testing it wirelessly, and the 2.4 GHz is super responsive. No noticeable lag at all, which is a must for gaming. Bluetooth is solid too, perfect for everyday use. Now the sensor. This thing packs a PixArt 3395, which is top of the line. Up to 26,000 dpi, 650 IPS. Those are some serious specs. Basically, it means pinpoint accuracy and incredibly smooth tracking. Whether you're headshotting in a game or just navigating spreadsheets, this mouse won't let you down. Keychron also has their own software, Keychron Engine, for customizing this little beast. You can remap buttons, create macros, tweak the RGB lighting, yes, it has RGB, and even adjust things like liftoff distance and polling rate. It's pretty comprehensive and gives you a lot of control over how the mouse behaves. The battery life is decent too. Keychron claims up to 70 hours, which I haven't fully tested yet, but so far, it's holding up well. And the ergonomic design? Surprisingly comfortable for such a lightweight mouse. It fits nicely in my hand, and I haven't experienced any fatigue even after using it for a while. One thing I'm really impressed with is the build quality. It doesn't feel cheap or flimsy at all. The clicks are satisfying, the scroll wheel is smooth, and the Teflon mouse feet glide effortlessly across my mousepad. They even say the switches are rated for 80 million clicks, so this thing should last you a good while. Overall, the Keychron M3 Mini is a seriously impressive wireless mouse. It's lightweight, packed with features, and performs like a champ. If you're looking for a new mouse, especially for gaming or productivity, definitely give this one a look. It might just be your new favorite.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.